so this is Reneth and welcome back to another vlog. So for today's video, so if we are friends in my social media account, so I posted this picture, and then because usually every weekend we go to Germany, so together with my husband and friend, and then we always stop by in New Monstra, or which is the outlet store in Germany where you can buy a lot of branded bags there, and clothes and shoes and many more. So as you can notice in my social media account, I posted two kinds or two brands of bags. So the first one is the MICHAELKORS. So today I will gonna unwrap in front of you guys. So actually this in my past vlog I told there that in this store, in the outlet store, they don't have dust bag, but actually I was wrong. I asked them about that dust bag. So in that outlet, especially New Monstra, has many people there every day, or yeah, except Sunday because they are closed on Sunday. So every day, the weekdays and the weekend, they always have many people dropping by there. So every now and then they have out of stock of the dust bag. So every time the cashier just told me that if I'm gonna stop there, I just need to ask them about that dust bag. If they have, they can just give me without buying anything there, as long as I still have my old receipt, so they will gonna give me. So I think I have 5 MICHAELKORS bag, and then I have the one that we will gonna unwrap. So I have 2, so a total of 7 bags of MICHAELKORS. So I have that. So without further ado, guys, let's start the unwrapping. So here we go. I have this paper bag. So as you can see also in my social account, I post like this in the some of the mirror in the shop. So as what I told earlier, that I have 2 new collection of MICHAELKORS bag. So this is just a shoulder bag or crossbody. So I have 2 here. So I have 2. So we will gonna open first this one, the brown one. Let's gonna save the other one for last because that one is their new collection in that shop or in the outlet. So here guys, so this is a the color is beige, I don't know, like something size NS, I think. I don't know what's NS. Jet set item. So there's something here, I don't know, but let's gonna open this, guys. So oh my gosh, I did not prepare any scissor again, so maybe we will gonna use the teeth scissor again. Oh my gosh, I destroyed the plastic. Oh my gosh, it's not good because I need the plastic as of the moment because I don't have the dust bag yet. So oh my gosh, it's not good that I destroyed the plastic on it. Oh my gosh. Terrible. Because yeah, so it's destroyed. So I think we're gonna throw that one. Not I think, I will gonna throw that. So here guys, I don't know where's the front. Okay, here's the front. So here guys, so there's a lot of paper. It's covered by paper. So this is the front and this is the crossbody. So there's the name there. So there's the logo. Actually guys, I love the design of some bags that there's their logo on both sides. I don't know why I don't like plain bag, but my friend Simply Me, which is Jenny Hansen, it's my ate here in Denmark. She loves a plain bag. She have a lot. She have Gucci, she have Louis Vuitton. Yeah, she have different kinds of bag. But she don't like to have this kind of, what's that, design, because she don't want to expose the brand on it. So she just want plain. So she bought last time a Coach, and it's a plain black. So it's nearly the same as the one I buy also together with this one. But there's a design, but in hers it's just only plain black. So here's mine. It's MICHAELKORS. So this is a shoulder bag, guys, or a cross bag. So here's the, we're gonna not, or like for example, I will get tired of those bag and then I will gonna sell it. So at least they have the receipt, they have the care card, and they still have the tag on it, so they can really know that it's an original one. So yeah, just for a, you know, emergency purposes, I think. So here guys, there's still a what you call it, paper cover. So in the oh, this one in the zipper, so there's still the word there, the stamp of MICHAELKORS. So we're gonna open the center compartment, guys. So let's gonna see if it's big or small. So there's a plastic in it. But anyway, I think this is just only for important things like wallet or some of your cards that you were gonna put it, or cell phone. Oh no, maybe cell phone you can just put it here so that it's easier for you to take on and off. So here's the center compartment. So actually, guys, I love big bags. I love shopper bags. But this past few months, I think I've realized that I don't need big bags because yeah, I know, I put a lot of things in my bag, like makeup. I have 2 phones, 2 power bank, and some of the, you know. So, I don't know, I get tired of having big bags or like shopper bags. So, I choose, this past few months, I choose this kind, like small sizes of bags. So, it's easier for me so that it will not be too big for me to carry on. So, here's the first one, guys. The brown one. It's pretty nice, right? I really love it. But actually, there's a white one. I posted it in my social media account. There's different kind of color in this one. It's white. But actually, guys, I'm not really good on bringing white stuff because it's easier to get dirt. Actually, I don't really wear white t-shirt or white jeans, but I really love white. But I don't know how to take good care of white, so that's it. But my other one, guys, this one, it's, I don't know, it's white, but there's a mixed color. This is their new what do you call this one? Their new this is their new design in MICHAELKORS. So actually, they have 2 or 3 new designs. So I choose this, one of the newest. So here, guys, so let's gonna open. It's this one. It's also a crossbody bag. So it's still this one with the sling. So you can wear like this if you want. So here's the tag. So I think you also saw this one in one of my day in Messenger or in Facebook because I posted this one. So this is their newest one. There's another color with blue, mixed blue with another color, and mixed gray. So I choose this one because I really love the color. Like it's glamorous, or like it's special one. There's blue color there. I also love blue, and I don't know. I don't know why I didn't choose this one because my eyes just caught with this color. It's really pretty. So here, so there's a compartment here in the back. So yeah, this bag is not so big, guys. It's just only small, I think. It's grapefruit MLT or yeah, something. Vegan fox leather, MD flap shoulder. Yeah, grapefruit MLT from MICHAELKORS. A rose. Okay, this is rose something. I think the color is rose, or yeah. So here, guys, so I already show you the compartment, the sling. The sling has the pink and black, and then with this one, I don't know what it's called. And then to open this bag, guys, it took me so long how to know if I was gonna do like that. And I tried to press this, but I cannot open. So I found it that you need to squeeze or something, do like that. So when you open, you need to do like that. So it's open. So here, guys, so when you open, it's like that. So it's all over white, so I need to be careful. I think I'm just gonna display this one. I'm afraid to use because I'm afraid to get dirt for this bag because I'm not really good in bringing white things. So there's compartment here in front. So there's also a zipper. So let's gonna open here with the zipper. So there's like just a pouch there. And then in this one, in the center, this actually, guys, I think this one you just only need to put your phone and wallet, just a small wallet, and that's all. It will not fit with the many things inside. So inside, guys, here, so there's a lot of compartment here. They put the care card of MICHAELKORS, and there's a logo of MICHAELKORS here, and there's a lot of compartment here, so like you can put your cards, different kinds of cards here. So it has 6 cards compartment here, guys. So this is their new one of the newest design in MICHAELKORS, guys. So pretty love it. So If you like Michael Kors, guys, you need to go to one of the stores of Michael Kors. Actually, I'm really fan of Michael Kors. And I don't know, I started to like Coach also. I don't know, I never been in Gucci's shop. So let's gonna see, because this coming week 37 we will have a vacation, so maybe we'll go to Berlin. Berlin has a branch there with Louis Vuitton. No, I don't know if they have Gucci. I think they have Louis Vuitton, but I cannot afford Louis Vuitton, guys. It's too expensive. And yeah, we will go to Czech Republic or Prague, and then we'll go turn around to Poland. So I don't know, I think we're gonna stop by in some of the shops. So guys, again, here's my 2 new collection of bag. So here, so guys, I hope you like this video. So if you like it, please click the thumbs up and share this video, guys, to one of your friends or to those you know, that who loves bags and they want to know what's the newest design in Michael Kors right now. You can share it. And also, if you are new to my channel, guys, I hope you're gonna subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for my next video or every time I upload new video. So thank you so much for tuning in, guys, and thank you so much for supporting my channel. And this is Reneth again, and see you around. And thank you so much. Have a great day, everyone. Bye!